Tired of every iPhone photo becoming a live photo and wasting storage? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to turn live photos off permanently. First, let's stop live photos from turning back on automatically whenever you open the camera. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Camera. Inside Camera Settings, tap Preserve Settings. This controls what the camera app remembers. Find the live photo switch and turn it on. This means your live photo preference will be preserved instead of resetting. Now, whatever live photo state you choose in the camera app will actually stick, even after you close it. Next, let's turn live photos off directly in the camera app, so every new photo is a regular still image. Open the camera app and make sure you're in photo mode, not video or portrait. Look at the top right of the screen for the live photo icon. It looks like a set of small circles. If the live photo icon is yellow and says live, tap it once to turn it off. It should change to a white icon with a slash or say live off. Because you enable preserve settings, the camera app will now remember live photo is off for all future photos. From now on, every shot you take will be a simple still image, saving storage and making your photos easier to share.